Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace the door switch cover on your Samsung built front load washer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to replace the switch cover, we simply need to open the door up. We'll remove the two screws that secure that to the front panel. Now, if the switch cover on your machine is damaged enough, you may be able to simply lift that off. But if the retaining tabs are still intact, you'll also need to just loosen this top screw by the door switch, just enough to give a little bit of flexibility. A couple of turns on that screw should allow the latch portion to fit down inside the front panel. And you can pop off the old switch cover and discard it. Now take note with the new switch cover that on the back side there are two tabs, a narrow one and a wider one with corresponding notches in the front panel. So we'll position that over the latch. And again, you may need to push that latch in just slightly to engage those tabs. And then you need to pull that out flush. Now, if it wants to stay in there a little too far, simply tighten that top screw enough, and that should pull that out. If you inadvertently remove that screw or loosen it too much and the latch drops down behind that front panel, you'll need to remove the spring from the door boot, push the door boot in, and reach in behind to reposition it. If you have to use that method, be sure to disconnect power to the washer first. Now we simply need to reinstall those two screws. And make sure that the top screw is tight. We can close the washer door up. And your repair is complete.